This is an NAD 412 tuner. It works, but the backlight is out for the tuner display. So I'm going to take those incandescent bulbs out and replace them with LED. Now this is where the lights are. There's a little PCB there, and someone glued this because they couldn't get the retaining clips to work properly. But a wire tie would have fixed that. So I cut the glue already. You can see how this comes out. And there's the bulbs that I'm going to replace, but I'm just going to replace this whole piece of PCB with one of my own, and I'll have 3 LEDs mounted in it with a drop-in resistor. And I'll pop that right back in, plug it back into the PC over here for the power supply for it, and it'll be good to go. So this is what I made. I used 4 LEDs. I decided to go ahead and put a drop-in resistor in there too, even though I've got 4 LEDs, just for safety's sakes, I guess. This is what I ended up with. I bent that one LED a little bit, just it made the display just a little more evenly lit up. And kind of a sloppy soldering job there, but it kind of happens when you get old, I guess. But and I'm not going to have to glue this. The retaining clips will be fine. I'll probably put a wire tie around those retaining clips like that just to make sure they hold good, but it's pretty easy to do. And this is the old lights. And I did go ahead and I put a wire tie around those retaining clips. It's not real tight, but it will keep that from ever coming out on its own. And if you ever needed to work on it, you wouldn't have to cut any glue. See if it... That looks pretty good now, and it should be good for a long time.